Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vita Jasmine Biafisa. In this occasion, I would like to share my opinion about education during pandemic. A pandemic is time that we never expect, a virus that keep us from seeing each other, causing a lot of extreme changes. Starting with daily activities to the education system, formal education institution like schools are closed and they switch into online system, and not necessarily everyone can adapt to the condition that exists this time, and this can have an impact to the sector to the all sector in life, especially in learning sector. And in my opinion, during this pandemic, the quality of education in Indonesia is decreasing. While this online learning aims to reduce the possibility of being exposed to the COVID-19 virus, because increasing the number of that exposure to the virus, online learning is effective in reducing the possibility of being exposed to the COVID-19 virus, but uh, to the learning process, the online learning has a huge impact itself. Online learning is considered ineffective because of the many negative effects at the time of its implementation, like the lack of social interaction between teacher, friends, and the environment, and also there is pressure. Uh, the pressure of distant learning can cause stress to students. Then, the differences in access and quality create gaps in learning achievement, especially for students that has a socio-economic problem backgrounds. And this can also causes the cause of constraints because students do not have the device like cell phone or gadget and computer or laptop to take the online class, and as well as problem the device, there is the problem like the cost of internet quota, because uh, the device not supported and internet access problem, student will not able to take the part of online learning. In addition, when online learning is also not all students pay attention to what are being explained or learned, because students feel no one is watching, so they can do what they want uh, without having to worry about being reminded by the teacher, and this case can reduce the quality of the learning delivered because students do not focus on what being learned. But because the pandemic, technology is becoming more and more developed, because technology is needed to support online learning. Many features appear to support online learning, like Zoom meeting that we can use to replace our activity in the classroom. And there is the Google Classroom, which is a place to collect the student assignment and can make the forum discussion uh, for the student, that can be media to learning process in online class. And the beside of that, uh, and while the online learning, teacher uh, must to be more creative, so that the class not boring, uh, and this case can be overcome by using the YouTube as a media, as a learning media. And because due this pandemic, there are a lot of learning materials available in the YouTube that can be used as a reference to carry out the learning process. In addition, there is also a website to playing a mini game that we can use to test the student understanding and the student abilities. Also, there is easy access to find learning references, like the textbooks, because by using the internet, that we connected to the high quality word sites to support our learning process. But beside of that, we can get the disadvantage for using the internet, like the student has opportunity to access application outside the learning topics, like they access the games, or they access their social media, and that makes difficult for a student to focus on learning process. In addition, online learning can be done anywhere and anytime, because with online learning, students do not need to be present in the classroom, and students only need a mobile phone or laptop and internet network to do online learning. Also, with online learning, student can repeat the material anytime, because usually the learning material will be recorded and it can be repeated anytime and anywhere. Online learning can also build a self-study habits. When online learning can foster student learning motivation from within, it also in instills the importance of student responsibility. The teacher simply monitors and guides how far they understand the material that has delivered, and which, such as a learning system, student can build the sense of independence and the responsibility. But even so, I think face-to-face or offline learning is still more effective than online learning, because by face-to-face or offline learning, uh, that can that have less negative effect than online learning. There will be no reason to student to not take a lesson because internet problems, or the device are not supported, and the learning process will be more controlled by the teacher. So the possibility of student focusing on the material being taught will be very large, and this can avoid a decrease in children's learning achievement. Classroom learning result is better academic achievement when compared to online learning. Differences in access and the quality of the material obtained by student as well as facility they have can result in gaps and in learning achievement, especially for children who have socioeconomic limitation. Effectiveness in the teaching and learning process. Face-to-face learning can also avoid the threat of dropping out the student. Online learning that is not optimal and makes children or student forced to work and not study, especially to help their family finance during the pandemic crisis. In addition, uh, and the learning process is not carried out face to face, many parents cannot see the role of schools in the teaching and learning process. Then, face to face learning can avoid online learning problems related to learning resources and media. In online learning, the use and management of learning resources and media are still not optimal. This happened because some educators were not familiar with online resources and media, although many pieces of training aims to help educators manage online learning resources and media. And many educators still have difficulty uh, utilizing and managing online learning resources and media, as well as students and parents. Okay, that's all my opinion about the education during the pandemic era. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.